Welcome back to the NIF tutorial. In this tutorial, we'll try to learn about TTR, that is time to resolve, and MTTR, that is mean time to resolve. MTTR measures the average time taken to fully resolve a security incident once it has been detected. MTTR provides insights on how quickly our security team addressed and mitigated the threat. Lower value of MTTR indicates the quicker resolution of the incidences. So here, let's go to the cases icon. Let us just take this particular case. Here, suppose say after complete investigation of the signals, we have concluded, we have taken the responsive actions and now we are closing this case. So as we have closed this case, you'll find out that it has added the value for the TTR, that is 36 minutes and 18 seconds. That is after 36 minutes and 18 seconds after overall investigation, the case is now closed. So that's nothing but the value of time to resolve or TTR. Now, in future, suppose I reopen the case and I came to a conclusion that the case was wrongly closed. It should have been more investigated. So here, let's again switch this to open. Again, when you are investigating the signals that are present into this case, you come to a conclusion one more time and now you think that the case has been fully resolved, and now again you want to change the status of this case to close. So we are making it as close. Again, when we'll go back to the case, you'll find out this time will be refreshed now. So the current time at which the case is resolved after reopening that case, that time will become the value of TTR or time to resolve here. The average value of this TTR column is written in MTTR, which is listed over here. I hope this tutorial helped you to understand what is TTR and MTTR and where to locate it on the cases page. In the upcoming tutorial, we'll come up with more such exciting topics related to the signals, cases, and overall NIF understanding. Thank you.